Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to install games on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and install games on Steam. But first of all, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the store, the library, community, and your account. Here we have the search bar and all the categories about and all the games here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and install games on Steam. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So here, as you can see, we have your store, new and noteworthy categories and all of those things. Basically, for instance, let's go and find a game. So let's go to categories and for instance, let's go and click on this puzzle category. When you get all the categories, then you just need to go and find a game. So for instance, let's go and click on this game here. When the game loads, of course, you can go and check out all of the things about the game. You can check out the video about the game and all of these things. But of course, when you want to go and install it, you just need to go and click on add to cart. The game will immediately be added to your cart. Then when you buy it, you can then instantly go and install it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.